Okay, I'm about ready to start the shelf. So I need to get a distance. I'm guessing about right in here is where the shelf will be, but I'll get that measured out. Before that, I had to prepare some lumber. So by mistake, I brought up a board that was thicker. It's about an inch thick, or it is an inch thick. And I was trying to get 3/4 inch for the shelf. But then I thought, well, no, this is good because if I have enough of this thickness, these will be the rails and I'll be able to screw in and I'll just have more distance to screw in the shelf. Plus it'll make the shelf stronger, being a little bit thicker wood. So I only had this board, so it's really not enough for 4 rails because I have 2 tables. I'll need one on each side here going across. Then I also would like some extra because wherever I put this rail, I want to put a small piece right here with the bevel down. So we're going to add a little bit more design to the table. At the same time, we're going to bracket in where the rail goes. So these will get screwed in at the distance we would like it. And then the other one will get screwed in. And then the rail, when we're ready to put together, just will go right in there, 2 screws, and it's on. The rail will also hold the whole shelf, so all the shelving will be attached to the rail, so we'll have a whole separate shelf. Now they want, well, maybe I can't do that. Gotta think about this. Because, yeah, okay, I can, because I can, before I attach the legs down here, I can pull them out a little bit, put the rail in on each side, and then bring the legs down. Because remember, once they're in there, I can't slide them down or up. They're going to be like locked in pretty much. So it will work. I just need to put the legs together in a certain order, and it'll work. It'll go together like a little puzzle. So then I thought, well, I need another board. I need another 1-inch board. And I thought, well, I do have some, I'm pretty sure. Turns out I did not, or at least I did not locate them. I did locate some 1.25 inch stock. So I, this morning, planed them down to match my inch. So I should have enough now. I need 41-inch rails. So I can get 1 or 2 out of here. The other 2 out of here, and then I'll have this material to do my design on the legs, and maybe some here. So we're set to start ripping. This one's not long enough, otherwise I could go with wider rails, but I don't necessarily need wide rails for the support because we have these right here at the bottom. This is going to give this leg a lot of support. All 4 of these triangles in place. It's gonna really solidify the top. Plus, because it's screwed in here and down here, it also gives up and down support. Because otherwise, this is only screwed into these boards going across, which rely on these end screws going in, and they're not. Some of them aren't real long. I did use some long ones in the end. But this right here will tie the top to the legs much better, or more. Okay, I'm really liking how it's looking, and we're ready to cut our rails for the shelf, for shelves, 1 for each one.